How to fix Telegram not downloading files on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Settings. In Settings, go to System Update. Go to Windows Update and make sure your Windows is updated. Sometimes if your Windows is not updated, Telegram might not be downloading files on your PC. If this is not the problem, simply open Telegram, go to three lines on top left corner of your screen. You'll find Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down and then click on Ask a Question. Click on Ask a Volunteer. In here, you'll find option like this. Simply write your concern. Write, Telegram is not downloading files on PC and Telegram might help you. This is how to fix Telegram not downloading files on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.